back to my channel. It's me, Mario. Not me, CCakes. The Super Mario Brothers movie is in theaters. This movie looks so much fun with all of the Nintendo nostalgia and Easter eggs. The animation looks fire, like literally fire, and it has a great list of voice actors. When I found out Jack Black was Bowser, it became one of my main reasons to go see this movie, besides the fact that the animation looks amazing. So to celebrate the release of the movie, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I decorated a cake to look like a Nintendo Switch. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. So let's put on chef's coats, and let's get baking.
For this cake, I baked it into sections. In the center is my chocolate cake recipe that I added black food coloring, similar to my Wakanda Forever cake, to match the color of the Switch's screen. On the sides, I used my vanilla cake recipe and added blue and red food coloring to match the colors of the Joy-Con controllers. I placed the cakes next to each other on the board, and once everything was leveled and trimmed and the corners were shaped, I dirty iced the cake, then placed it in the fridge to chill.
Hey everyone, while the cake is chilling in the fridge, I want to hop on real quick to let you guys know that not only is this video in celebration of the release of the Super Mario Brothers movie, it is also a video to celebrate the 3rd anniversary of my channel. I cannot believe it's been 3 years. It seems only yesterday I uploaded a video on how to make Easter doll cookies. And I've enjoyed every step of the way. I've enjoyed every video I've showed you all, whether it was a simple baking recipe, an elaborate pastry, or cake. I have a lot more planned for the rest of this year, and I can't wait to show you all. I think the cake is all set in the fridge, so let's get started and make this thing really look like a Switch cake.
I rolled out black fondant and cut it to the width and a little bit over the length I needed in order to cover the screen section of the cake. I smoothed the top and the sides with my hands and a fondant smoother, then trimmed the excess fondant off. I repeated the same process for both the blue and red fondant. Since these are on the edges of the cake, I only cut one side so I can place it right next to the sides of the black fondant. And once again, I smoothed the tops and sides with my hand and a fondant smoother and trimmed off the excess fondant. Now it's time to add in the details. I rolled out 4 strips of black fondant and placed it in the center to represent the screen's frame. Next, I cut and shaped the capture, plus, and minus button. Then I use a circle cutter to make the home, directional, and A, B, Y, X buttons. The directional buttons have an arrow on each one, so I added them in before placing them onto the cake. I rolled a thick piece of fondant and used a bigger cutter to make the left and right sticks, then a slightly smaller cutter to make the circle outline it has, and added the 4 marks as well. I also rolled a thin piece of fondant as a base to show some dimension. I laid down all the details and made sure everything was aligned before adhering them onto the cake with some water. dusted off any excess powdered sugar and with white food coloring and a thin brush, I wrote the letters on the A, B, Y, X buttons. I painted some black food coloring to the inside of the screen, directional, and capture buttons. Lastly, I rolled, trimmed, and rounded the edges of 2 rectangle strips to be the left and right buttons and placed them on the top corner sides. And that's how I made a Nintendo Switch cake for the release of the Super Mario Bros. Movie.
And that is it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. Also, share this video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe as well. It's totally free to subscribe, and we have a lot of fun on this channel. I had so much fun making this Nintendo Switch cake, and I hope you did as well. This is a great birthday cake idea for anyone you know who loves Nintendo and loves video games. The best part about it, you can also customize it so it's not only just a Mario theme. You can also add in any of their other favorite video games such as Sonic, Zelda, Splatoon, Cooking Mama, Animal Crossing. I think Kingdom Hearts is part of Nintendo now, but correct me if I'm wrong down below. If you recreate this Nintendo Switch cake or any other desserts I've made on this channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. I would love to see your creations. Hope everyone is staying safe and well, enjoy your Nintendo Switch cake, and have fun watching Super Mario Bros. Bye!